Hi guys, Ben here from Cult Motorcycles. Here we have our 2023 KTM Super Adventure 1290. This is a one-owner bike owned by a good friend of ours. He bought it new in May last year. It's covered 3,900 miles on it. It's a really tidy, really clean bike. He's very particular about how he keeps his machines. So it's the whole hog, this thing. It's got the full luggage, so you've got an extra little tank pack. You've got your crash bars, you've got a crap pitch exhaust, it's got the tech pack as well. So yeah, everything on it, ready to go. Oh, it's also got Garmin. Normally when I do a walk around, I go around and point out any little sort of cosmetic imperfections on the older bikes, but on this, it's, well, yeah, 3,900 miles, and it's been kept exceptionally clean. Never touched the ground, and it's pretty much as like a new bike. In May this year, it went in for a service at I think 2,600 miles. Had new tyres at the same time. Got a power parts heated seat. There you go. Tyres are pretty much new. I'll list all the extras in the adverts. I'm sure there's bits that I missed. Hopefully this gives you an idea of just how clean it is. Still got the remaining balance of the KTM warranty, which is transferable. I think there's at least 2 years left. So yeah, there you have it. Hopefully that gives you a good idea. Any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.